Good afternoon. We're doing Recon basketball for Steve. Six cards per pack, 10 per box, 2 autographs, and 20 insert parallels. Kai Jones rookie, Eric Gordon out of 199, and John Collins rock the rim. First autograph, Scotty Lewis True Potential rookie auto. Kawhi, Hall hopeful. I'd say he's pretty much guaranteed. Cameron Thomas rookie auto. Nice autograph. Horford and Camp. Sharp rookie, Quickly out of 299, and Allen Iverson maneuvers. Paul Pierce, Chris Paul. Charlie, how you doing? Good. What are you looking for today? Sadiq Bey out of 199. There's a LeBron base. Wiggins rookie.
Very well could have been one of them.
Trey Mann.
I'm thinking yes.
Jalen Green, rookie.
I know someone at least looked at it.
Luka Future Legends. Jaden Springer, and a Jokic base. Steve, thank you very much. Anything more? We got Recon and Legacy.